Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. If you wanna see how I came up with this look, watch this video till the end to see how I came with this amazing look. I'm so happy. I did it. So I braided my own hair and this is so wonderful. So it is done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to trim it a little bit at the end, just a little bit. Let me come close so you can see, just a little bit, just like that. Gonna do the same this side. Yeah, so that gives the end a smoothly look. So watch this video till the end to see how I braided my hair, and you also can learn how to braid your own hair. Let me turn around and I can show you what I did. That is so amazing. So if you like it, give it the thumbs up and share it with someone who is going to be needing these skills. And till next time, thank you all for watching. Mwah. Let me show you my finished look. What I'm going to do, I'm going to braid this hair at the end of it, and then I'm going to put it in the water. If you want to see how you can change this braid to making it have some curls, what I do here, I'm just going to be braiding big braids, and then I'm going to be putting it in boiling water. So we're going to braid and braid. I'm just braiding it halfway. It doesn't have to be neat, just braid it because you want to give it some curls. So I braid it loosely. So yeah, like that. Yeah. Let me move back so you can see. So let me show you a close look. So I've braided 3. So I'm going to do this side. Oh, I'm loving these braids. It turned out exactly how I wanted. I'm so happy. So I'm going to do this side and I'll come back. I'm back. I went and boiled the water. So I need to put on the towel to protect myself not to burn. And then we're gonna start putting our braids inside the water. So I have here my jug with hot water. So when it's boiled, you need to let it settle for 5 minutes. So don't come using your boiling water. This is dangerous. And also I don't want those extreme curls. I just want some loose curls. Ooh. Oh, this is danger. Let me move behind so you can see what I'm doing. Oh. I'm just dabbing it like that. Need to dab it. And then I'm going to do the other side. The same. Oh, I need not to burn ourselves. This is dangerous, but beauty is dangerous. Can't even see where my water is. So like that. This also helps us to stay more tidy, more neat. So I'm going to dab it. Move sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Dab it. So far, so good. So far, so good. So the water is, what happened there? My eye, water. The water is not completely out, but I'm just going to start unbraiding it. And what I do, let me show you a close look. I'm just going to unbraid what I did. So you just twist the opposite of what you did. So simple as that. Are you ready to see the magic curls? Yeah. There. Oh, you see that? I'm loving it. So continue with the rest. So far, so good. So far, so good. So, ready to see the miracle, miracle, miracle. Let me turn so you all can see behind. That's how it looks from behind. And you're happy with me? Yes, I did it. 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 I can't believe I just braided my own hair. Oh.